What's up, everybody on YouTube? Free Swimmer here. I have been working on my above tank sump. It's got an 1800 gallon per hour mag drive pump that was just using it as a circulation pump. I had it actually, I'll show you what it was coming out of. Here's my many drawers of fittings. Let's see where I put it. Nope, not that drawer. Must be this drawer. Yes. It was coming through here. Out this spout to make all the waves and the action coming all the way across the tank. It was doing a good job, but I decided I wanted to take that and put it to better use as a pump for my above tank sump. Okay, now the dilemma with that is I've got about 2.5 feet up to the top of the tank. Then I've got a 90-degree elbow. Then I've got, actually I'm a liar, I've got a 45. I've got a 45 back and then another 45 all the way up to the top, then a 90-degree. Then it comes across the back to the center of the tank about 5 feet, then it's got a 90. Then it has a small piece with another 90 going up another 2 feet or so, and it comes across the top of the tank, as I'll show you right now. And it comes, if you see in the very back, going up and then coming across the top to the spray bar, all 1-inch pipe. So the reason I'm telling you where it's going and how many feet are this and how many feet are that, I'm figuring this probably about 1,550 gallons per hour when it gets there, after the head loss of the traveling up 2.5 and the other 2, and then the 90s and the 45s. Okay, that's not a big deal. But when I was having it come out of the outlet at the bottom of the sump, it was crashing like crazy. It was just a big mess. Water going everywhere, splashing. I don't want it to be out of control like that. I want it to be something that's maybe I can even have with the bubblers, and they'll still get along and it won't be that crazy. So I decided to make a 4-foot spray bar. There's the 1.5 right here that will be coming at the back. What I'm going to do is the one going down is going to have a 90, and then going back about 8 inches, 10 inches to right behind here. I'm going to mount this, and then it's got my spray bar, so it'll be in this shape here. Actually, it'll be in this shape here. It'll be going into the top of there and then down. Then this splits the T. I put bushings in there, so it's 1-inch outlets, and I have 1-inch pipe, 2-foot pieces on each side. Normally with a spray bar you want to have pressure. With a system that's coming directly off a pump, you can do that. You can have pressure and drill your holes. I have all my other ones at 1 inch apart. These holes are about 1/2 inch apart, and they're bigger holes. The reason I don't want any real pressure on this is because if you have back pressure on this, it'll back up into the filter, and then it can want to come over the filter. Then I'll have to do an emergency top off drain, and I don't want to do that. I just want to have the spray bar going through the filter pads and the media out, and then just going out in a controlled fashion, 4-foot span of just a controlled water flow. So it won't be high pressure, it'll just be flowing out, but it'll keep all the crashing out under control, and it'll give a little bit of water movement, but it won't have any backup concerns. So I'm going to be installing this weekend. Do a big water change. Fit my last couple pieces. I got some mounting hardware. Drain it down a little bit, mount it up underneath the top redneck Euro bracing, which is a 2x6 beam. And there you have it. I just wanted to show what I've been doing. And the reason that this spray bar is not designed for pressure, just smooth exit of water. Hope that made sense, and if it doesn't, please ask questions, because I'll explain in further detail, because it really does make sense, and hopefully it'll be a good working outlet. And if for any reason I decide that I don't like that, I will end up with a 1.5 inch piece going all the way across here, down in this corner, and then having it exit there. We'll be back with you. We'll see what it does this weekend. Later.